Okay, Eileen, go and get the correct piece and put them on the right sentence. Okay. And okay, so can you read the first sentence? First sentence? Read. I slide. Second sentence.
I want.
Good. And number 3 sentence. Yes, next.
I climb.
Good job.
I catch. I swim.
Very good. Well done.